a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby, she goes back.
Enough wrenches?
Yeah.
Cool, huh? A lot of wrenches in there. See? Even though Kaya's seen it, it's still cool, eh, Kaya? Yeah. I gotta fix this. Oh, careful. I could draw something. You want to go home now?
Yes.
Why do you want to go home now? Maya, do you want to go home now?
No.
See? Maya doesn't want to go home now.
My springs alone.
Kaya,
Your springs?
you'll survive without springs.
My springs.
No, actually, they're
But
Kaya's
this one is
springs.
the perfect one.
I don't collect springs.
Maya.
Kaya's the springy poo poo.
Ding, 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 ding.
Ding, 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 ding.
Never did ding, ding, ding. So which one should
Say, Kaya, you look like a ding ding.
I look like a ding ding. You look like a ding ding. Look.
Cool. You're a wrenchy there?
That's my wrist.
Yeah?
I will cut you. It doesn't hurt.
I think that's where it goes. Yeah, that's right there. Still able to get work done. Yeah. You're holding your ears.
Too loud.
Too loud? It's a good thing I'm half deaf, huh? Good thing I can't hear you. That's much loud.
You look like a quack.
Quack? Looks like a quack. You look like a quack.
Kaya, look. Tick-tock.
Oh, look at it. I'm drilling. I should have made this out of aluminum. There we go. Perfect. Oh, I know what I can use for this. See if we can still find them. See if I got any that fit. Let's see. Do I have any that fit in here? Oh, sweet. 1, 2. That one fits. What? Yeah, well, don't cut your thumb off in here. You know why? Because I don't have enough crazy glue to put it back on. Alright?
Now look here.
Cool.
This is a perfect one for me.
Now what am I doing? Using clecos.
I know. My mama told me that.
Your mama told you that? Watch this world. There we go. Where did I get clecos? Where else? Online. That one's a little crooked, so we're gonna have to fix that a little. It's okay, Maya. You'll survive. click,
You
click.
survive.
You'll survive. Excuse me.
Let's see that.
What are you doing? Leave it open. Leave it
I
open.
don't want it anymore.
You don't want any more?
Do, do, do.
There we go. There's a cleco in there. That would fit. Yeah, we could drill that out some more. There we go.
Give me my scissors back.
There we go. Everything's falling on the floor today. Everything.
That's mine.
Where'd the other one go?
Yeah, but Dada.
I'm missing a thumb
No, it's mine. Yeah.
or a piece.
I have it now. Maya, give it back.
Maya, give it back to your sister, please. There we go, kiddos.
I can do something like this.
Look at that. Ah,
Like this.
see? Using a bunch of clecos holds better. Now I can see how horrible this looks. How much bending and tilting has to be done.
See our bender in the back we had to use?
You're on a bender? What?
Yes, a bender right there.
Yeah, there's a bender. We're going to use that tomorrow. Where's my other finger gone? I lost a finger. There it is. All right, let me get another cleco here. Who am I?
I'm just making a hole there.
No, don't play with that. There's sharp metal there. Don't play with that. Cleco and cleco. That's too big. It's too big. Ooh, that size. Watch this, kiddos. George. Peppa Pig. Now, put that in there. Why do I own clecos? Because I like clecos. Stick that in there. You go home now? Okay, give me like 2 minutes, okay?
That finger thing on.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Careful. Alright, why's that one not working? Come on. There, line this one up.
I bet you cut me now. No!
Maya, I'll cut your nose off. There we go. Careful. There we go, see? Ta-da! What? Okay, let me put all this crap away now.
My scissors away.
Put her scissors back. Alright, folks. That's what I got done today. Cool, huh?
Yeah, because we want to go home and drink some.
Oop. Let me just go like this now. Let me take a picture, kids.
So you wash up.
What?
Just so we wash up.
You gotta wash your